Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is commercial. It's a B1 level adjective, and it means related to business or trade. So, what exactly does it mean for something to be commercial? Simply put, it's something connected to buying, selling, or making a profit. Think of it as anything that has to do with the world of commerce. You'll often hear the word commercial in contexts like commercial property, commercial activities, or even a commercial break during your favorite TV show. For instance, we might say, the new shopping center is a major commercial development in the area. Now, let's explore some synonyms for commercial. A close synonym is mercantile. For example, the city has a long history as a mercantile center. Another synonym is economic. You could say, the government is focused on improving the country's economic situation. And yet another one is business. Consider this sentence, their business venture proved to be quite successful. A further synonym is trade. We might say, international trade has increased significantly in recent years. Another useful synonym is financial. An example would be, the company is facing some financial difficulties. Let's put these synonyms into more context. Instead of saying this is a commercial area, we could say this is a mercantile area, emphasizing the trading aspect. Or we could say this is an economic area, focusing on the financial activity. To further illustrate, imagine a commercial transaction. You could also call it a business transaction or a trade transaction, all referring to the same exchange of goods or services for money. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms for commercial. One antonym is nonprofit. For instance, the organization is a nonprofit dedicated to helping the homeless. Another antonym is charitable. An example of its use is, they run a charitable foundation that supports education. Yet another antonym could be altruistic. Consider the sentence, her altruistic actions were driven by a desire to help others. Let's think about these antonyms in contrast to our original word. A commercial enterprise is driven by profit, whereas a nonprofit organization is driven by a mission to serve the public. Similarly, a commercial transaction aims to generate revenue, while a charitable donation aims to provide assistance without expecting anything in return. An altruistic act is purely for the benefit of others, completely detached from any commercial motive. Now, let's delve into how you can use commercial in your everyday life. You might say, I'm not interested in commercial art. I prefer something more unique. Or, the commercial for the new car was very effective. Another example is, the city is known for its commercial fishing industry. You can even use it in expressions like, that's just a commercial gimmick, meaning something is just for show to sell a product. You might hear people say, he made a commercial decision to move his factory overseas, highlighting that the move was motivated by financial gain. Similarly, someone might comment, the movie felt too commercial. It lacked artistic depth. Let's put all this together with some additional examples. The commercial district of the city is always bustling with activity. She has a commercial pilot's license. The success of the product was due to a well-designed commercial campaign. The building is used for commercial purposes. He's involved in the commercial development of renewable energy sources. The commercial value of the land has increased significantly. The company's focus is on commercial applications of the new technology. We need to find a commercial solution to this problem. The farm produces commercial crops for export. The commercial agreement between the two countries will boost trade. Let's recap. Commercial, a B1 level adjective, means related to business or trade. We explored synonyms like mercantile, economic, business, trade, and financial, and antonyms like nonprofit, charitable, and altruistic. We also looked at how commercial is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. And now for your homework. Create your own sentence using the word commercial and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!